Authorities are overwhelmed. This is the worst flooding we have seen in decades. The damage is catastrophic.
The devastation is absolute. Whole communities have been erased. But here, a new defense is being...
The engineers are reviewing the final phase of the seawall. Excellent work. We need to secure this entire coastline.
We are live at the concrete seawall as a catastrophic tsunami overpowers the structure, sending a massive spray into the air.
The breach is substantial here. We need to shore this up immediately. Assess the foundation. We're losing ground fast.
The seawall, built to withstand the elements, now shows the cracks of its vulnerability. The ground behind it eroded. We asked the...
Where does the real failure lie?
The massive tsunami wave crashed into the coastline, overwhelming existing defenses. This new perspective shows
extensive coastal defenses, including seawalls, breakwaters, and floodgates, protect this town and its surrounding fields.
Authorities report the seawall is holding, but conditions are rapidly deteriorating. We're seeing a massive swell. It's overtopping. Brace yourself. The tsunami wave has breached the seawall, causing catastrophic damage to the levee's foundation. Urgent evacuation orders remain in effect. The pressure on the concrete levee is immense. Erosion is visible beneath the blocks, and cracks are spreading rapidly in the rear toe. The water is scouring the levee's toe, exposing the earth. A small failure is growing quickly.
Extensive coastal defenses, including seawalls, breakwaters, and floodgates, protect this town and its surrounding fields.
The seawall shows significant erosion. We're seeing high measurements here.
What benefits did the tsunami leave behind?
The levee's condition is critical, requiring immediate attention. The damage is extensive.
He bears the scars of the recent tsunami, with debris scattered across the land. The focus now shifts to an extensive construction site along the coast. Authorities are building a protective seawall. Dump trucks arrive with fill material, spread and compacted by bulldozers. The workers are inspecting the compacted layer, ensuring stability. This process is building a massive embankment along the coastline. The massive levee reconstruction continues, with cranes actively placing reinforced concrete blocks into the newly dug trenches.
The project is well underway. Massive concrete blocks pave new highways, while heavy machinery constructs the future.
The team ensures every rock and soil sample meets stringent safety standards, maintaining quality across the project. The coastal development project is underway, utilizing heavy machinery to process and move vast amounts of material. Before, this highway was in ruins. Now, thanks to dedicated efforts, we are seeing significant progress in its reconstruction.
Work has begun on the coastline.
This ambitious engineering project will protect the shore.
And now the completed embankment stands as a testament to progress.
The relentless current is visibly eroding the base of this earthen embankment. What is protecting the levee's core?
Welcome. We embark on a journey to the mysterious core, where answers await.
The massive embankment, built with such precision, faces a relentless force.
Severe erosion at the riverbank threatens the local infrastructure. In response, engineers have deployed heavy cranes to install a protective layer of concrete blocks. The massive coastal engineering project continues, with crews working tirelessly to secure the embankment against future threats. The water flows over concrete blocks, highlighting its ability to penetrate and pull the surface apart, demonstrating how armor functions. The advanced armor system acts as a continuous, unified barrier against the water's force.
The massive crane lowers the block, weighing over 4,400 pounds, into place, ensuring the concrete is secured to the embankment's slope.
Here on the concrete slope, the worker shows how the excavator maneuvers these thick, interlocking blocks. The massive concrete blocks are showing remarkable resilience as they share the load of the incoming waves, a crucial step in rebuilding our coastline.
The coastal infrastructure project relies on rapid construction.
These precast blocks come directly from our advanced facility.
Inside the factory, a crane carefully lifts the newly cured concrete block. These blocks represent the future of efficient construction, ready for transport. Transporting these precast blocks along the coast is a crucial phase. And here we see a crane placing one onto the embankment. And as you can see, the foundation has been completed on schedule, ensuring the durability of this vital coastal defense system. The seawall has been breached. The tsunami is overtaking the land. What defense do we have against the ocean's attack?
The ocean is attacking, but the new seawall holds. It is a barrier of hope, standing against the power of nature.
The storm surge has grown more powerful than anticipated.
It's coming over the top!
No, the wall is breached.
The breach in the seawall is completely overwhelmed. The water is pouring in with incredible force, putting the entire coastline at risk.
A growing breach in the seawall causes concrete blocks to collapse and water rushes through. A tsunami overtops the seawall. On the left, the levee fails, but on the right, it holds strong.
On the left, a catastrophic failure, but on the right, a completely different story. The rear toe holds, the armor stays locked. This levee stands.
The reinforced levee takes a direct hit from the tsunami, but its innovative design helps it slow the flow. The reinforced levee stands firm, its structure slowing the flow and buying valuable time. It emphasizes the resilience of the barrier against the flood's power. The reinforced levee stands firm. But what happens when the sea keeps rising?
Why did everything collapse?
The seawall guides the river's path into the ocean. The wall also supports a bridge for vehicles.
The seawall guides the way, a crucial path between land and water. This engineering marvel supports a busy artery of traffic.
The gates are holding. Initiate system checks. All clear.
Authorities are urging immediate evacuation as a catastrophic tsunami wave approaches the coast. Authorities are reporting a critical situation at the main floodgates. Engineers are working to secure the systems as the storm surge approaches. The control room monitors real-time floodgates and tsunami warnings. The system highlights the remote and automatic control systems. Authorities are issuing a level 4 tsunami warning. Evacuations are underway along coastal areas. The floodgates are sealing the waterway. Engineers are monitoring the situation in real time from the command center. Authorities report record storm surges approaching. These newly installed floodgates are our only defense.
The engineers fortified the primary floodgates, emphasizing robust walls and secure closures.
The seawall stands strong against the ocean's fury. And these massive gates ensure the town's safety.
Why do we build walls to protect what we cherish?
What are we trying to protect? The seawall holds against the immense power of the waves. But the system continues to work.